Okay, here's your review for test number 2. Which pair of points will determine a line parallel to the x-axis? Okay, so first off, remember the x-axis is a horizontal line. So when it says parallel to the x-axis, it's talking about a horizontal line. That's what it wants. When you draw a horizontal line, that is y equals. So let's say I just drew right now y equals 3. And the points on that line, if I choose this point, this could be 3, 3. If I drew this point, that would be negative 1, 3. Notice that the y values match. That's why y equals 3. Every point on that line will give you y equals 3. So you're really looking for which ordered pairs have the same y. And this is 1, that's negative 1. And if you cannot remember that, just graph them. 2, 1 is here. 1, negative 1, 1, negative 1 is here. That line would not be parallel to the x-axis. This y and that y matches, so that must be the answer based on what we said earlier. But if you graph it, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. You connect it, there is your horizontal line where the y values are the same. Answer is B. Number 2. What is the apparent solution to the system of equations graphed below? It's going to be where they cross, and they cross right there. So if the solution is, if this is 0, 0, this is 1, and that's 1. So 1, 1. X goes first, y goes second. Number 3. Which ordered pair in the solution of the system of linear equations shown below? So which ordered pair is the solution? So we want to know the solution. Menu 3, 2. Solution to the system. So we want a new document. No, we do not want to save. Add a calculator. Menu 3, 2. And this is 4x minus 10y equals negative 12. 4x minus 14y equals negative 28. And someone did not like the settings in this calculator, so we're going to fix them. And no, you do not have to know how to do this. I'm just doing it on camera because I don't want to start over. And press OK. Let me redo that problem. That's better. 7, 4. Okay, so now we see that 7, 4 will be the solution to this system. Let's make sure I typed everything in correctly. 4x minus 14y equals negative 28. 4x minus 10y equals negative 12. And there it is. Answer choice D. Number 4. What is the value of y given? Okay, this is a system. So I am going to use menu 3, 2. And you notice it says solve a system. Enter. 12x minus 18y equals negative 36. 4x minus 4y equals negative 12. Press enter. 3, 0. Now I see answer 3 and 0, but it wants the y. So which one is in the y spot? Y came second here with the letters, so the 0 must be y. Moving on to number 5. Excuse me. Tom bought 4 slices of cheese pizza. Can you see it now? Sorry. Tom bought 4 slices of cheese pizza and 5 slices of sausage pizza for a total of $13.50. Grace bought 3 slices of cheese pizza and 2 slices of sausage pizza for a total of $10. what is the cost of one slice of sausage pizza? So that is 4C, because we're going to use C for cheese, plus 5, and then S for sausage. Total cost of $13.50. Then we're going to do 3 for cheese, C, plus 2, S for sausage is $10. Now, what is the cost of one slice? So we're looking for S. And now we put this in the menu 3-2. Menu. 3 for algebra, 2 for solve a system, and 4C plus 5S equals 13.5. 3C plus 2S equals 10. I want you to notice I forgot to change the letters, and I did it on purpose. We've been using X and Y for so long, or recently, that you might have forgotten to change your X and your Y. So go in and make your X C. Keep the comma between it and make the Y S. Press enter. And we get some ugly looking numbers. Okay? So, what is the cost of one slice of pizza? Of sausage pizza, that's the second one. And we're talking about money, so it would be 7 cents. So that's some cheap pizza. 7 cents. And the cheese pizza would be $3.29. Okay. Number 6. Which system of linear equations below will give an answer of infinite solutions? Menu 3-2. Menu 3-2. Okay, so 4. Wait, enter. Well, let's change these letters first. It needs to be H. And then it needs to be F. Okay, so 4H plus 18F equals 70. And 2H plus 9F equals 30. And we press enter. This says no solution. So that can't be the answer. Let's try B. 4H plus 18F equals 70. I forgot to do menu 3-2. Change my letters. If you delete it like I did, go ahead and put H, comma, F, put your comma between. Okay, 4H plus 18F equals 70. 2H plus 9F equals 35. When your answer gives you C's in the answer, see this C1, C1? That is our indication that it is infinite. That means this is the exact same equation when you graph it. If you do these two, it will not give you this. B is the answer. And because of time, and I want to get through the 20 questions and not make this video too long, I'm going to move on. Number 7. Peter worked a total of 120 hours during the month of July. He earned $2,800. His friend earned $35 per hour. I left the H off there. Per hour each weekday that he worked. He earned $40 per hour each Saturday that he worked. Let X represent the number of weekday hours worked, and let Y represent the number of Saturday hours worked. So now we need to write the system of equations that represent this situation. So, Peter worked a total of how much? 120 hours. during the month of July. He earned $2,800. So this says Ross, and that is incorrect. That should say Peter. So Peter, and it wasn't his friend, it was himself. So I'm glad you're watching this video, because if you do it without it, it wouldn't make sense. Peter earned $35 per hour each weekday he worked. So every weekday he earned $35. He earned $40 per hour each Saturday. So X, we want X to represent the number of weekdays. So how many weekdays did Peter work? How many hours did he work during the weekday? Peter earned, this question is worded very badly, y'all, I'm sorry. Peter, that says earned, that should say worked. I'm going to tell you why it's worded crazy. I was looking at the test and trying to give you the test questions without copying the questions and kind of changing them up. So that's why it looks crazy. So Peter worked 35. He earned $35 per hour. So that's $35 for the weekday. So we're going to use X for that. I'm going to start over. I'm going to have to stop this video right here because that didn't make sense.